Before we start our reflection this morning, we greet each other a blessed morning, and we are happy to welcome as well in our midst the St. Paul College Parañaque with their administrator and with their sisters in the name of Sister Bernadette Padawel SPC, the parents and the grade 3 students of this revered institution. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. Palakpakan po natin sila. Good morning po muli. Sila po yung mga nasa likod ng mga bata at mga parents. Welcome po muli sa inyo. We know it so well that whenever we would hear these kinds of readings, as I said last week, we know that we near the end of another liturgical year and the Advent season is already near. Ngunit, hindi naman pananakot ang gusto ng mga pagbasa natin lagi o ang dapat nating makita. May mga baon na mga mabuting balita pa din ang mga maririnig natin sa mga susunod na araw. And the good news for us today is how God would not only be seen as a passerby, but He is a God who means to stay in our life. Hindi siya dadaan lamang, kundi siya ang Diyos na nananatili. Both stories and readings today would imply a God who stays. The Lord, in our first reading, asked the people of Laodicea to prepare, since He will stand at their doors and knock at their doors, and He will be there not only to greet them, but He will stay to dine with them, pass by in their lives, and be with them. Staying with them. And we heard this beautiful story of Zacchaeus in today's gospel. A wealthy man, a man who wishes to see who Jesus was. But he had these two problems. He was short, maliit siya, at natatakpan siya ng dami ng taong sumusunod at nakikita o gustong makita si Jesus. But the sycamore tree gave it a special place. He met Jesus and saw Jesus. And here's the catch. The request of Jesus was so strong. Zacchaeus, come down. I must stay in your house today. Hindi lang siya dadaan na parang isang bisita, kundi siya ay mananatili na tila parte siya ng bahay at buhay ni Zacchaeo. Mga minamahal na kapatid, alam natin na ang Diyos ay tinatawag nating Emmanuel, and in 2 weeks' time, we will be hearing Advent stories already, and we celebrate that and prepare for that during Advent and celebrate that this coming Christmas. Bilang Diyos na kasama natin, siya din ay Diyos na nananatili. When we pray, when we receive communion, for example, when we celebrate the Mass, when we encounter the Lord in those people whom we love and serve, when we show our compassion, our kindness to others, these are but experiences of God remaining in our lives. Hindi lamang Diyos na dumadaan o nakikiraan, kundi ito ang Diyos na mananahan at mananatili sa ating buhay. We need not fear anything. We need not to feel weak and lifeless today and in the next days, because God remains. He mean to stay with us. Gusto niyang manatili sa atin. And when God remains, there will be blessings, there will be peace, there will be joy, there will be goodness, because God is with us and God remains.